So today we're going to be working on a brand new construction site. You can see we have a lot of PEX tubing. This is for in-floor heat. It's a slab on grade construction, so all they're doing is packing gravel. The mechanical room is going to be like 2.5 inches lower than the rest, so that if they have a leak or something, it stays confined in this area and doesn't go to the rest of the house. We got our manifolds laid out on the wall, roughly where they're going to be. You can see this is all of our plumbing for the water lines. But then we're going to have this, which does the office area here. This is going to do the garage. This is going to do the main living, which Darren is drilling the holes for right now. Those loops are hopefully just going to come straight through and up and then into the manifold. We need to move our manifold over a little bit. Then this is going to do the master bedroom, which is way down that way. So it's going to head 2 loops all the way down there. So the main living area will get lots of loops in the floor, back and forth in here.
It won't fit in our
over here is the
there.
Master bedroom.
So it'll be fine. I think it'll work good. But if you want to,
and Ben's marking out the walls here so we can see where everything needs to be. This is like panel construction. It's basically just 2 sheets of plywood with foam in between, and that's it. And then there's a 2x6 or whatever at the end of the panel. Otherwise, pretty much nothing structurally. Super bright in here because of all the foam reflecting the sunlight back, so most of us have sunglasses to wear while we're out working on it. But yeah, you can see this is the markings for where the floor is. So that master bedroom loop will come in. I'm guessing we'll go like this. We'll bring in our first loop. We'll go around the perimeter, and then we'll go back and forth like this until we get through this entire space down to there. And then we'll come back along that wall and go back. we like to go heavy around the edges, and then more toward the middle. It doesn't matter quite as much, but you're kind of limited to your 300-foot roll. So it got a little bit thin in the middle, but like I said, on the edges is where really your heat loss is going to be, and that's where you want to keep it really warm. But yeah, should be really nice. Of course, each of these loops then comes back, goes through to our zones.
These are
we got done.